I'm not sure how momentous today's activities have been, but I served on Hamilton County, on the sheriff of Hamilton County. My notice, a 2-page notice that I'm serving on all my local officials, starting with Hamilton County. And the notice says that traffic stops have to cease and desist under clear, well-established law. And that law is privilege law in Tennessee. You're in another state and you think that my legal document, which you'll see in the link below, is just gibberish. Well, it contains, it's on an outline of 4 different points. The points are this: that privilege constitutes a special protected economic activity. Driving and operating a motor vehicle is a privilege in your state and in mine. Therefore, if there is an accusation made against the licensee under the privilege for some wrongdoing, that's not to be heard criminally. No cuffs, no jail, no beatings, no threats, no binding, no bonds, no criminal prosecution from the DA, nothing. What has to happen is this, that B has to happen. That's number 1. A is privilege is A. Number 2, or B, is the commissioner. Your commissioner, your DMV in Tennessee is the safety commissioner. His job is to prosecute and administer the privilege. So if you, like me, have a damaged taillight, you're going to get referred to the Department of Safety by your local deputies. And you'll hear from the Department of Safety, which has an interest in public safety. These are not crimes. That's number 2. The commissioner's authority to hold a contested case. If there's a dispute over the license and what you did under it, you can have a trial. It's in agency under the administration of that department. Again, DMV in your state, in my state is Department of Safety. Number 3 is this: that hearing is in terms of the UAPA, the Uniform Administrative Procedures Act. That means that your hearing is bound in the agency. Okay, that's the main point of mentioning that, is that the agency has the location for the hearing. The hearing is in the agency. And number 4 is the duty of the state to not prosecute you in a criminal venue, but it must exhaust its administrative remedies. My notice, part 4, breaks that down. And the 4th part is the state must exhaust its administrative remedies in agency, the agency overseeing the privilege. All privileges in your state and mine are overseen by a department or board or agency. And the one for motor vehicles is in Tennessee Safety. If you're the barber, a barber is the barber board and cosmetology board. If you're an accountant, it's the accounting board. If you're a plumber, it's the contractor board in Tennessee. These are all state-owned occupations. And in all the states, the leading state-owned occupation is the calling and trade of operating and driving a motor vehicle, which is commercial. It's all commercial. Using the public road for your private profit and gain, not by right, not ever by right, but always by permission. You pay extra, you get supervised, you get regulated by the troopers. That's what has to happen in your case. The case has to be administered in terms of the agency stepping forward and ending, you with me, ending criminal traffic stops in the United States as a blight and an oppression on everybody. At the link below is the notice I'm filing in Tennessee. I'll be sending a copy to the Attorney General, Jonathan Scrimetti, tomorrow. In my mind, this is earth-moving. It may just be obscure law dispute to you, but if we can end criminal traffic stops with their endless killings, huge danger to police, we are ahead. I'm telling everybody I'm doing this for officer safety, because traffic stops are far more dangerous than domestic dispute calls, which every cop knows is the most harrowing and dangerous type of encounter to have if administering the police power criminal. We need to decriminalize traffic stops, and I'm starting that process, and I hope you can join me. I hope you can join me.